Have you ever dreamed of building stunning woodworking projects but didn't know where to start? Are you worried about lacking the time, skills, or resources? Great news! With Ted's Woodworking, anything is possible, even for beginners. Get ready to discover the most complete and incredible offer for all woodworking enthusiasts. Picture this. You gain access to 16,000 done-for-you woodworking plans. Yes, 16,000 projects, from large outdoor structures to intricate crafts and furniture for your home. Each plan comes with detailed diagrams, step-by-step instructions, and precise material lists. Even the most challenging projects become a walk in the park with Ted's Woodworking. But wait, there's more. When you join today, you'll also get free monthly plans for life. Each month, new projects are added to your collection, and you can download them at no additional cost. No hidden fees, no expiration. This is your lifetime access to a continuous stream of fresh and inspiring ideas. Custom plans just for you? Got a specific project in mind? Request a custom plan, and our team of experts will draft it just for you. It's like having a professional craftsman at your service. Access from any device. Whether you're in your workshop or on the go, you can view your plans from your phone, tablet, or computer. Work where you want, when you want, with total freedom. Instant online access plus physical options. Along with immediate online access, you can also receive all your plans and bonuses on a DVD or USB drive, delivered straight to your door. Guides and tutorial videos. You'll also get access to a library of guides and video tutorials covering both basic and advanced techniques. Everything you need to grow your skills and become a woodworking master. And that's not all. By joining today, you'll receive incredible bonuses, including 50 woodworking plans for free, handpicked to help you get started right away. A comprehensive 440-page guide packed with tips, tricks, and essential techniques to make every project a success. Here's the best part. You'll also get personalized support. If you have questions or need help with a project, our master craftsmen are here to guide you via email or through our forums. You'll never be alone in your woodworking journey. Thousands of woodworkers around the world have already joined Ted's Woodworking. Some have gone from beginners to experts, and others have even started selling their creations. So, why not you? This isn't just a collection of plans, it's a gateway to your creativity and success. Now is your moment. Click the link below this video to get instant access to everything. Don't miss this opportunity to turn your woodworking dreams into reality. Join today and take advantage of this limited time offer because it won't last forever. Get your 50 free plans, your 440-page guide, and full premium access to Ted's Woodworking now. Imagine what you can create and start today. Click now and unleash your creativity like never before. You deserve the best. Ted's Woodworking is your solution. Take action and turn your ideas into masterpieces.